Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are good at your places. Okay, so are you all ready for the session of today? Are you all? So let us start our session. First of all, you all have to open your English books. So let's open our child centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2. This is your book. Turn the page. Okay, I hope you all remember these both letters. What is this? A a apple. Apple. And what was the vocabulary related to A? We did apple, a ant, a alligator, a ambulance, a arrow. So we learned 5 objects related to letter A. Then we did letter B, Beaver, Beaver, bat. This is bat. Beaver, bat. Okay. So let us see vocabulary related to letter B. Beaver, bat. What is this? Beaver, bat. Okay. Have you seen cricket? Okay. Ask your mom, dad to show you cricket match. So you'll see this bat over there. Let's see next object. Balloons. You all love balloons now? So this is balloon. Beaver, balloon. Beaver, balloon. Next is wow. Beaver, banana. Beaver, banana. Beaver, banana. Next, beaver, ball. Beaver, ball. When you kick the ball, it bounces like this. Beaver, ball. Beaver bells. Beaver bell. Beaver bell. And you also did an activity related to letter B. What was it? You have to hit the ball with the bat and you have to say Beaver bat. Beaver bat. What you have to say? Beaver bat. Beaver ball. Okay, look here. How this boy is hitting the ball with the bat. This is Bieber bat in the hand of the boy. And he's hitting a ball. What is he hitting? Ball. Bieber ball. Okay. So today the point of discussion is this is a bat. We will be discussing about the bat. What is this? Which object is this? This is a bat. Parents, you have to ask your child, what is this? So your child has to reply, this is a bat. What is this? This is a bat. What is it made of? This bat is made of wood. What it is made of? This bat is made of wood. Okay? As you have furniture at your home, as you have bed, sofa, and other things at your place which are made of wood. So, the same way, this bat is also made of wood. We can play cricket with a bat. What we can play? Which game we can play with it? We can play cricket with the bat. What we can play? We can play cricket with the bat. Okay, so this is the point of discussion related to letter B. The same way, parents, you can introduce different objects to your child related to letter B, and you can discuss about it. Suppose you can pick a ball in your hand and you can ask your child, what is this? This is a ball. Then you can ask, do you want to play with the ball? And you can ask the color of the ball even. So you can put questions related to the objects related to letter B. Beaver bat, beaver ball, beaver bell. Okay. So this is, we are done with the vocabulary related to letter B. Then we did the kinesthetic activity related to letter B. And then today we discussed about bat. Beaver bat. Beaver bat. Okay, here's a question for you. Children, look here. Here is a question for you. What is the question? Bat is a fruit or a toy? What is a bat? Bat fruit है या toy है? It is a toy. What it is? It is a toy. So you will tick over here. What it is? It is a toy. Good. And you have to make actions like hitting a ball with a bat by swishing your arm. You have to swish your arm. You have to enact as if you are hitting a ball with a bat. Though we have done a kinesthetic activity to hit a ball with a bat, but still you can also swish your arm. You can make a posture that you have to pretend like you are hitting a ball with the bat. Okay? So today we are done with both the letters of the first page, that is apple and beaver ball and beaver bat. I again request the parents that try to show real objects related to that particular letter which has been taught. Okay, so moving on to next, now it's rhyme time. Okay, open your book, child centric rhymes and action songs, Joyful Bee. This is your rhyme book. Open it. Next, next, next. Children, you need not to tear your books. You have to use it whole year. So आपको अपनी books tear नहीं करनी है. Here comes a rhyme. Wash the apple. I hope you all remember this rhyme because we have heard this rhyme so many times. And next time, I want to listen it from you. Either you just recite one stanza, but children, I would request you to learn at least something from this rhyme. I'll be happy to listen it from you. Ma'am will love to listen when you will recite this rhyme. Okay, let's listen to the rhyme.
Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat.
So, this was a rhyme. Wash the apple and eat. I hope you are eating apples every day, but before eating, you are washing those apples well. Okay? So, let's listen to the rhyme again.
Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat.
So, this was a rhyme. Wash the apple and eat. I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme time. Okay, moving on to next. Now we have to open our Hindi books. This is your Hindi booklet. Child centric Hindi Chitra Pustika Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2 Joyful Bee. This is your Hindi book. Open it. Turn the page. Okay, let's revise what we did earlier. This was a anar. A anar. You all eat anar? A anar. What it is? A anar. A anar. And these were other things related to a. A amrood. A amrood. A adrak. A adrak. A ajgar. A ajgar. A akhbar. A akhbar. And you have to listen to these lines as well. Parents, you can recite or you can read out these lines for your child as well. लाल रंग का अनार दाने इसमें हजार खा खा कर हम हो जाएंगे इसकी तरह लाल लाल इसकी तरह लाल लाल look here, this is red lal. Okay, so we were done with this page. Moving on to next, we have bada a aam. What is this? A aam. You all eat mangoes? You all eat aam? Juicy and yummy aam. Okay, so let us see what is the vocabulary related to aag, 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 aloo, aloo. You all eat French fries. So the French fries are made from aloo, ashram, ashram. So let us read the lines what are written over here. For आम फलों का राजा है गर्मी में यह आता है, कहता मुझको खा जाओ या मैंगो शेक बना पी जाओ। अगर आपको खाना नहीं है तो आप मैंगो शेक बना के पी सकते हो। ओके, सो this is a arm. What is this? A arm. A a a आग. A आग. Fire. You have to keep distance from fire. Okay? आपको आग से दूर रहना होता है. It may harm you. A आग. A आलू. Say hi to hello आलू. आलू आपको हेलो बोल रहा है. आप भी बोलो इसको हेलो. A आलू. A आलू. What is next? A ashram. A ashram. A ashram. What is this? A ashram. A ashram. Let's revise. A arm. A arm. Aag. A आग. A आग. A आलू. A आलू. A ashram. A ashram. So today what we learned? We have learnt about a arm, a aag, a alu, a ashram. Okay, so this was all the concepts for the day today. In English, what we learned? In English, we have learned. Let us summarize the concepts we have learned today. Today we learned letter B and vocabulary related to letter B. Bieber bat, Bieber balloon, Bieber banana, Bieber ball. Catch the ball, catch the ball. Very good. Bieber bell. And you were about to do the kinesthetic activity of hitting the ball with the bat and say Bieber bat, Bieber ball. Look here how he is hitting the ball with the bat. Next, we discussed about the object bat. What was the object of the day? The object of the day is bat. This is a bat. This is made of wood. And we play cricket with the bat. Okay? A arm. A arm. A aag. A alu. How cute is alu? A ashram. A ashram. So this was the all concepts we have to do for the day. We will meet tomorrow with some more new concepts. But till then, you have to revise all the previous concepts, whether it's numeral, whether it's writing part, whether it's your fine motor activities, whether it's swar. So you have to recall all the concepts on routine basis. And mama ko tang nahi karna hai zyada. Okay? Bye. Take care. Okay? So we are done with our things for the